Standards. They are the silent force that keeps industries safe, products reliable, and engineering consistent. But what exactly are ISO 8573 and ANSI standards? And why should every engineer, technician, and student really understand them? Let's decode these powerful standards in simple GAN style. Standards are agreed upon rules, guidelines, or specifications that ensure safety, quality, and uniform performance in engineering and industry. When you buy a bolt in India and a nut in Germany, they still fit because both follow global thread standards. When your compressed air system works reliably, it follows ISO 8573. ISO 8573 is an international standard that defines the purity of compressed air based on particles water oil. This standard ensures that the compressed air used in industries is clean and safe. But the most important is ISO 8573-1. Compressed air purity classes. This categorizes air quality from Class 0 to Class 9. Class 1 equals ultra clean air, Class 5 equals general industrial use, Class 9 equals rough utility work. Measured as pressure dew point. Class 1 equals very dry. PDP less than or equal to minus 70 degrees Celsius. Class 4 equals PDP less than or equal to plus 3 degrees Celsius. Class 6 equals PDP less than or equal to plus 10 degrees Celsius. Class 1 equals less than 0.01 milligrams per cubic meter. Class 4 equals 5 milligrams per cubic meter. Compressed air packaging potato chips requires heavy checkmark Class 1 or 2 particles, heavy checkmark Class 2 water, heavy checkmark Class 1 oil, because air goes near food, must be ultra clean. Even small oil particles affect paint finish. Required heavy checkmark Class 1 oil, heavy checkmark Class 2 particles. Using air for tools and blowguns. Heavy checkmark Class 6 or 7 is enough. If ISO 8573 were like the water purity scale, Class 1 is like mineral water. Class 8 is like muddy water. Okay for plants, not for drinking. ANSI, American National Standards Institute, is a US-based organization that oversees, approves, and coordinates national engineering and industrial standards. ANSI does not make standards itself. It approves standards developed by professional bodies like ASME, IEEE, NFPA, SAE, API. Think of ANSI as the judge that verifies if a standard meets all guidelines. Pike dimensions, flanges, thread, standards, pressure vessels. Switchgear ratings, protection, relays, testing procedures. Fire safety, PPE certification. When you buy a flange rated ANSI 150 or ANSI 300, the bolt circle, thickness, diameter, pressure rating are all based on ANSI-approved ASME standards. UNC/UNF thread sizes used worldwide follow ANSI-approved dimensions. ANSI 50, 51, 86, 87 relay function numbers used in power plants and substations. Feature ISO 8573 ANSI type technical standard approval body scope, air purity, all industries global. Yes, mostly US usage compressor, filters electrical, mechanical, safety example air quality class 1.2.1 ASME 16.5, IEEE C37. Simple explanation. ISO 8573 tells how clean air should be. ANSI ensures standards are correct, reliable, and safe. Helps in correct equipment selection, ensures safety, prevents failures, makes procurement easier, ensures global compatibility, reduces breakdowns and rework. Standards are not just numbers. They are the foundation of quality engineering. If you want more videos on engineering standards like ASME, ISO, ASC, AWS, drop a comment and hit the like button. Subscribe to Simple GAN, engineering concepts made simple for the world.